Guacamole. You know it, you love it, but can you make it? If you can't, then fear not. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this delicious chunky guacamole at home with a super easy method. And like all good things in life, it starts with an onion. A single small red onion, finely diced. Once you've done that, put it into a bowl and dry off your tears. Then it's time for a couple of fresh ripe tomatoes that we're going to dice up in exactly the same way as the onion, which is going for little tiny squares. And pop that into your mixing bowl with your red onion. And then it's time for a little lime. I'm just going to use half a fresh lime left over from last night's gin and tonics. You don't have to use fresh lime, you can use the bottled juice that you buy at the supermarket, that's fine too. Then you want a nice big pinch of salt, and then mix it all up. Now if you want your guacamole to have a little bit of a kick, this would be the point to chop up a few chilies and put them in. I myself am moving straight on to the avocados. Now prepping these avocados properly is the key to getting that really chunky guacamole finish. I myself don't like guacamole really that's been mushed up and is just sort of green slime. I like it to have nice big fresh chunks in it. To get the stone out, you can just whack it with your knife, give it a twist and it'll just pop straight out. However, do be careful doing this with a sharp knife, as it's very easy to slip and cut your finger. On a completely unrelated note, I shall be wearing a plaster for the rest of this video. You want to cube it while it's still in the skin, so make vertical slices and then turn it 90 degrees and make horizontal slices about a centimetre and a half thick. This will give your guacamole those nice chunks. Bring back your bowl of pre-prepared salsa and just take a spoon and carefully scoop out all of those big chunks of avocado. Don't worry that they're all different sizes, it's fine, you just want nice big chunky bits in there. And with all your avocados in, it's time to stir it up. Now when mixing, you don't want to mush it up. Instead, just stir fairly gingerly, mixing all the ingredients together, but without breaking up those big chunks of avocado. Now your base is mostly done, just time for some finishing touches. First off, we're going to chop up some coriander, or cilantro if you're in the US. I'm just using the dregs of a packet I had here, you could probably use about double this. Take the whole plant, stalks and all, and just roughly chop them. Just add that into your guacamole and stir it in gently. Now remember to keep tasting it, and if it needs it, add a little bit more salt. Remember, you can always add more salt to a recipe, but it's very hard to take it away. And with that, your guacamole is finished. You can see that it is fresh, creamy, and has those nice big chunks of avocado in it. Just whack it in a nice serving bowl, and it's ready to eat. Now I think guacamole is a great side to have with absolutely anything, but of course the classic is fajitas, so I'm going to grill some up. These chicken thigh fajitas turned out absolutely amazing. I'm going to do a full video on how I cook them next week. So I'll put the full recipe in the description, but just a little recap for you. We had 1 small diced red onion, 2 diced fresh tomatoes, the juice from half a fresh lime, 3 medium-sized avocados cubed up, a small handful of coriander, and some salt to taste. It really is that simple. And if you want another easy recipe, then click on my little channel button. I've got lots of videos on there. Thanks for watching.